My name is Michelle Phillips from Music is Language. We are launching our Music is Language Music Certification course training in 2020. Why would you want to certify your music education? I'll give you an example. I've been in music education now for about 20 years. Students in that time have gone and learned music, had lots of fun. Then they get to the university level and their counselors want to know, how can you prove that you actually know anything about music? That's why music certification is important. Starting from level 1, students of all ages can prove that they have the vocabulary, the technical knowledge, and the skills to collaborate with others that they need from level 1 all the way through level 10. In the United States, there are already multiple options for music examinations, certifications, and accreditations. We are offering a traditional route in classical music just like all of those exams. What's different? Why would you want to take ours? Those exams require you to schedule in advance. Oftentimes, they require you to have a liaison of a teacher who is a member of an organization or who registered you. Then you have to arrive at a pre-scheduled time. You have to be sitting with an evaluator live, and then you have to wait for results for up to 6 months. With our exams, it's 100% online. All you have to do is head over to our website, musicislanguage.com, find the syllabus for the course that you want to take, look through the outline, study what needs to be studied using the resources that are located in our store, and then whenever you are ready, no registration required, that syllabus will link you straight to the evaluation, where you will answer a few theory questions, upload a video of your technical requirements, and upload more videos of the pieces that you would like to show. That's it. You'll know immediately whether or not you passed the theory portion of your exam, and then if you did pass the theory portion, yes, that's halfway done. Then our team will look at your videos, send you feedback, and let you know whether you passed. Music accreditation is important in so many ways, but the only way that you've been able to be accredited in your music training in the US is if you're in classical music. There are millions of students who are taking music, and only about half of them are studying classical. There's so much commercial music, from jazz to blues to rock to pop to country to gospel. It's not covered in our current system. We want to fix that too. So even if you are not taking traditional music, there's a path for you. We have our traditional path, and we also have our pop path, which is for everyone who is non-classical. And this works for piano, for voice, and for songwriting. Next, you may be asking, why do I have to take theory? I mean, I play well, why do I have to know the science behind it? That's an excellent question, and it's one that I find very important. Whenever you meet with a group, be it an orchestra, a chamber group, a jazz ensemble, even session musicians at a rock band album recording, they're going to have a certain level of vocabulary, a certain level of musical science, and a certain level of mastery when it comes to the science of music. And all genres of musicians need this. In fact, you can ask a lot of metal players, and they have a firm background of music knowledge, modes, scales, chords, all of those things that it takes to collaborate with others and really succeed in the music industry. Of my students who have not taken theory and gone on to pursue lives in music, most of them ended up taking theory, studying theory, and working diligently for their theory whenever they became adults because they realized how important it was. Many of them came back to me and said, "John, why didn't you force me to do this? You didn't want it. You told me no, and I don't force anything on anybody, so it's up to you. Are you going to take the time to do it right the first time? Do it now and succeed." That's what I want. I want you to be able to succeed in music no matter what path you decide to take. Our exams do make theory a little bit easier and a little bit different. I still want you to have all of the knowledge that all working musicians have. However, the traditional approach to music examinations and theory examinations lead students to have to do things the way that Bach did them back in the 1600s. Let me ask you this. If I'm making a lasagna and you're going to grade how good my lasagna is, How much weight are you going to put on the fact that I can start a fire with 2 rocks? Does it really matter anymore? Probably not. We have other tools, we have technologies, and we have ways that certain tasks can be accomplished. In cooking and making lasagna, and also in music. See my point? So we're changing the way that theory tests are taken. Everything is done online, on a computer, with a fun design, and with a fun interface. We're hoping to make music fun for everyone, while getting the necessary accreditation and skills that you need for your resume. Okay, so now for the best part. How do I do this? Very simple steps. All you're going to have to complete an evaluation at any level, in any path, in any instrument with Music as Language certification is you're going to start with the syllabus, which will outline for you the theory, the technique, and the pieces required. That's it. So when you look at that syllabus, you'll scroll through. The first thing that you'll see is the theory portion. It will outline for you exactly what will be in the test, the key principles involved. We have recommendations of theory book series in our store that we will link you to be able to study, complete the guide, even the answer key that will help you prepare and study appropriately with or without a teacher. We do recommend having a teacher, but it is not necessary for our exams. Then there's a technical section. You'll see everything written out, and you'll have the ability to listen to a recording of someone playing through or singing through the technical requirements. Lastly, we have recommended resources. Those recommended resources will provide the literature that you need to be able to do your pieces. Pieces range from 2 pieces minimum for our very entry levels up to 5 pieces needed for our most advanced level 10. From there, when you're done studying, when you have everything ready to go, all you'll do is click Apply for Certification within that syllabus. It will take you right to the test. Here is a big hint. When you get to the actual test itself, there's no go back button. You can't start again. Do not hit go back, because if you do, you will cancel your progress. It's an answer at a time. Answer carefully. And when you make your selection, it will move on to the next question. There are about 40 to 45 theory questions, and then you'll upload a video link of your technical requirements and your pieces. Now, for your pieces, you'll upload your videos and provide us a link from YouTube or a similar site. Then you'll hit submit. You'll know immediately what your theory score was, and if you passed, your pieces are going to be sent over to our team where they will review them, look them over, score them, and get them back to you. If you passed, you get a certificate from us, and it'll say, congratulations, you did it. So let's learn, let's have some fun, let's certify. I'll see you there.